Welcome to Zenith Clothing. Come in.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
This is a unisex shop. We sell both male and female, and this is the shoe section for male,
Okay.
and this is the shirts and the
Okay.
jackets section for male, and this is the shirt also for male.
Okay.
Yeah, all these sections are for male. Then this is the jeans section also
Okay.
for male.
All right.
Yeah, this way.
All right. Thank you.
This is the ladies section. These
Okay.
sections are for corporate gowns.
All right.
These sections are for corporate suits, and also all our stuff are unique. We don't sell mass production here. Maybe you see somebody wearing this clothes, you now see it in another person's body tomorrow. No, we don't sell something like that. All our stuff here are unique and quality top notch.